Don't cut off your nose to spite your face.
किसी सूरत हाल पर ज्यादा रद्द-अमल जाहिर न करें.
Don't overreact to a situation. You can refuse to talk to her if you like, but you're just cutting off your nose to spite your face. Don't wash your dirty linen in public.
अपने राज न खोलें. अपने निजी मामलात को निजी रखें.
Keep your private affairs private. She decided not to take the family dispute to court as she feared it would only lead to a lot of washing of dirty linen in public. It's no use crying over spilled milk.
वक्त गुजर जाए तो पछताने का क्या फायदा. अब पछताए क्या होत जब चिड़िया चग गई खेत.
What is done is done. It's no use crying over spilled milk. He's spent all the money, and there's nothing you can do about it. There's no point flogging a dead horse.
बेनतीजा कोशिश करना. फजूल जद्दोजहद करना.
Don't continue because the outcome has already been decided. He keeps trying to get it published, but I think he's flogging a dead horse. Necessity is the mother of invention.
ज़रूरत ईजाद की मां है.
If you need something, you will find a way. The first prisoner to tie together bedsheets to escape knew that necessity was the mother of invention. Once bitten, twice shy.
दूध का जला छाछ भी फोंक फोंक कर पीता है.
When you are scared to do something because you had a negative experience the first time you did it. I will never work with Sarah again. She expects everyone to do the work on her behalf. Once bitten, twice shy. A rolling stone gathers no moss.
धोबी का कुत्ता न घर का न घाट का.
Constantly changing, thus never becoming attached to anything. You should find a place that you like and build a home there because a rolling stone gathers no moss. Some people can't see the wood for the trees.
किसी बड़ी सूरत-हाल, मसला वगैरह को न समझना या उसकी तारीफ करना, क्योंकि कोई उसके सिर्फ चंद हिस्सों पर गौर कर रहा है.
Unable to see the overall point. I don't think we can see the wood for the trees at this stage, so let's get an outsider to take a look at the project and give us a progress report. A watched pot never boils.
जब आप बेचैनी से कुछ होने का इंतजार करते हैं तो ऐसा महसूस होता है कि वक्त आहिस्ता गुजर रहा है.
A process appears to take longer if we only focus on that and do not engage on other activities. She kept switching onto the website to check her result all morning, but I guess the university has not published it yet. A watched pot never boils. You can't have your cake and eat it.
एक ही वक्त में दो अच्छी चीजें होना या करना जिनका एक ही वक्त में होना या करना नामुमकिन हो.
You can't have the best of both worlds. You're going to have to decide sooner or later what you want to do. You know you can't have your cake and eat it too. A bad workman always blames his tools.
नाच न जाने आंगन टेढ़ा.
Rather than recognizing that we have done something badly, we attribute the responsibility to the tools we are working with. The football player blamed the rainy weather for his poor performance, but as they say, a bad workman blames his tools. A bird in hand is worth two in the bush.
लंबे आधार से कम मुनाफा बेहतर है.
It's better not to lose something that you already have by trying to get something extra that you cannot be certain. I might have got a better offer if I had waited for some more time, but I decided to take the one I had. After all, a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. A change is good as a rest.
काम या पेशे की तब्दीली आराम की मदद की तरह बहाली या ताजगी बख्श हो सकती है.
If you start doing something different, then this is equivalent to having a period of rest. If you are fed up of your work, a change is as good as rest and you can start reading a magazine for a while. A leopard can't change his spot.
आप इंसानी फितरत को नहीं बदल सकते.
You cannot change human nature. He is bound to fail the exam again. A leopard cannot change his spot after all. A miss is as good as a mile.
हार हार ही रहती है, चाहे आप मंजिल के करीब पहुंचकर हार जाएं या दूर ही से.
It doesn't matter how far you have missed your target. He was beaten by just one vote, but a miss is as good as a mile.